In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Netflix on your Roku TV. Step 1 is to open Netflix on your Roku TV. Press the home button on your Roku remote to go to the home screen. Select the Netflix app from your list of channels and open it. Step 2, navigate to account settings. Go to the settings or account section in your Netflix app. Find the subscription option and then select it. Step 3, cancel the subscription. Choose the cancel subscription option and follow the steps on the screen. Confirm the cancellation and you will no longer be charged for Netflix. So that is how you cancel your Netflix subscription on Roku TV. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please subscribe, it helps me out. And leave a comment if you have any questions.